Hey guys, working on a 2016 Mercedes Sprinter van. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. I already reset it on this one, but this is a key car. I'm going to put the key in the ignition. Let me try to focus here so you guys see what's going on. Put the key in the ignition. We're going to start the car. Well, not start the car, ignition on. Lights come on. You're going to see where the mileage is written. You're gonna see it's a minus, 1200 minus 1000 and so forth. And you're gonna wait till that clears. Once that clears, you're gonna use this M and O button. You're gonna click down on the O button, and I'll show you what it's supposed to do. So once your mileage shows, you click that O button, hold it down, you hear a beep. Okay, once you hear the beep, you're gonna use this M button right here. And you're gonna toggle through the options. And I've tried it multiple times. There's reset standard, there's reset 0.31, 0.51, and I found that this double wrench one worked for me. And once that comes up, you click and hold down this circle button, or the 0 button rather. Hold it down for 3 seconds, and then you let it go, and then you click it down again, just one click. And it says reset not done because I've just done it already. So we'll go out of that, turn the ignition off, turn it on, and it won't say minus anymore. You're good.